Before you start, you need the right tools: shaving cream, post-shave balm, a small towel, a cartridge razor, and of course, a head. Run water until hot and rub thoroughly into your hair. You can also wet and rinse your towel and apply to the top of your head. The longer you keep it on, the better. Shaving cream acts as a great lubricant and cushions the blade, allowing for lower drag and less snags. Work shaving cream thoroughly into your hair. The smoother the shave, the happier your head will be. Starting at the front of your head, shaving with the grain, work in small but assured strokes. Let the razor do the work, and do not press too hard, or else you might end up cutting or hurting yourself. Not fun. After every couple of strokes, you'll want to wash the razor. This removes hair and cream, keeping the blade free to do its work. Continue until you finish the front part of your head. Next, shave the sides of your head. Again, work from top to bottom, shaving with the grain. Finally, the back of the head, the most difficult part. If you're feeling less confident, make sure to add some more shaving cream or water, and feel with your hands that every part of the head is covered. Work the razor blade from top to bottom with confident strokes. To help the blade glide, try tightening the back of your neck to create a flatter surface area. Use hot water to rinse off shaving cream. Use your hands for this process to search for parts of the head you may have missed on the first pass. Relather some shaving cream to the head. Pay particular attention to the parts of the head you missed, or the parts which are harder to shave than the rest. You're going to shave your head again. This time, though, we're going to go against the grain of your hair growth. This gives us a really close shave. The blade should glide across the skin, as you have already removed a lot of hair. Don't get overconfident. Always move the blade cautiously, yet confidently. Rinse the shaving cream from your head with warm water. Massage in and check all over the head for any missed areas. If you have missed a spot, relather the shaving cream again and go for another pass. Add a post-shave balm to add some moisture back into the shaved skin. Work in thoroughly to get deep moisturization. Now that's an astonishingly superior shave. Just look at that head glisten.